Okay, welcome back everyone. In this episode, I'm going to show you how we can rotate a vertex around a point. And that's pretty simple. If you if you know how to do that with matrices and if you know matrices a little bit, then you'll probably see that it is the exact same thing, but we're not using the matrix form directly, but basically it's the exact same operation we're doing with like a rotation matrix. But in this course we're not going over matrices. Maybe some point in the future. But let's see. So then let's add that method. It's another static method in our math helper class. And I call it rotate vertex around, oh no, sorry, I'm gonna call it rotate around point. And it's gonna have a vertex to rotate. So to rotate vertex, we want to rotate that around the point, and I'm gonna use radians, not degrees, we're gonna use radians. For that, then I'm gonna create a vector which will be our result of the calculation. And for now, I'm going to set that to 0. Then we need a direction vector. And this is calculated by subtracting to rotate a vertex with the point. And then we can calculate the rotated point by applying that to every component. So for the x component, it's the direction dot x times math dot cosinus with the radians minus the direction dot y times the math dot sinus of the radians. That's it for the x component, and for the y component it's almost the same. So I'm just copying that. Change the rotated x to rotated y. Then the direction x, that's correct, we don't need to change that, but we need to change the cosinus to sinus. We need to change that sign here to a plus sign. And then we need to change that sinus to a cosinus. There you go. And at the very end, we add rotated, we add the point to the rotated result. And then we can return rotated. There we go. That's everything. In the next episode, we are actually using this method to rotate our shapes around. I hope you understood what we did here a little bit. And see you in the next one.